Okay, we got both of these cowl decals cut out. You guys can see how I marked them front after the cowls towards the windshield. This is up. Really kind of self-explanatory, but I like to remind myself, or I try to keep some reference despite me knowing exactly where they go, just a extra measure to make sure or to ensure I install these properly. So these are, once again, these two right there. And we're gonna put it in place really quick and see how they go so we can get that area cleaned up and install these. I've come to the conclusion that the hood don't have to be on to do this because everything should be dead center. The hood has a heel or raised section in the middle of it as well as the middle of that cowl, so they should align perfectly just as well as these. All right, we're here. Let's show you how this goes. You gotta clean this up really good, but it's pretty simple to align. Look at the center of the. This is just filthy already. Everything's like so much dust. There's a lot of pollen in the air. So you can see how that raised section in the center right there is gonna be spot on. So let me get this all cleaned up and measured and put in place. All right, guys, I got the garage open. It is nearly 100 degrees today. Had the fan going. That ain't doing it. I'm blowing hot air. My goal today is to finish these. Got them directly where they want to be. Everything's aligned. The hood, all the space in between the hood is perfect. And just gonna do those right now, but this thing looks beautiful. This thing looks beautiful. And then we're gonna do the header panel, and I might as well place the bumper on and then do the chin spoiler. Also, just add the door vents right there. I'm about to add that in a second, but I'm gonna do something before I add it here. Clean the door jambs up good. With the doors, the inside of the doors. Yeah. This thing is turning out very, very, very nice. Yeah, so those are perfectly aligned. And I'm gonna apply those right now. So although the hood is on, and another thing I wanna mention, look how large, this is a small portion where these align. They don't go on the vents because it'll look crappy. They go before the vents and it tells you in the layout before and after the vents. And it's such a large decal for such a small space, so I'm gonna fold it down. I've clamped down there really good. And man, you got dirt everywhere. I'm gonna have this thing so nice when I get through with it, when I polish it up. So we're gonna get those applied right now. I'm having fun now. I'm doing it. So let me I may have to let this door down because it's too hot out here. It's too hot today, and it's afternoon, it's 12 o'clock. So got my hood aligned perfect. I can have these. I'm dead centered here, there. Look at that. So you're gonna have that on point, and then a bumper, then chin spoiler. All right. Okay, so opposed to wasting some of this decal, I'm gonna shave it some. You guys can see I made the line directly here on the back side of this hood, not here, so it can tuck under some, as you should. I don't think it should ride that entire fender wall. I don't think I should use all this, so I can use this here and save some material. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look and just see under the hood on the graphics and see if I see how they tuck in. All right, starting to come together, guys. Starting to come together. Look at those stripes. Look at those stripes. How nice they are. I made me a pendulum there so I can, as you guys can see, it's dead center all the way down. Since I'm not putting the bumper on, just gonna apply the decals to the chin spoiler, but perfectly straight. And yeah, they're nice. They're nice. I'll be doing the top of the roof in a minute, and I got the back aligned already. These are ready to go. So I should be done tomorrow. It's in the evening now. All right, stay tuned.